Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to reset your password on both iPhone and Android devices. First, open the Instagram app on your device and navigate to Profile. Tap on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and tap on Security. Then, choose the password option from the list. Instagram will send an email to the address associated with your account. Check your email inbox for a message from Instagram titled Reset Your Password. Open the email and click on Reset Password button. You'll be redirected back to the Instagram app. Enter your new password in the designated fields. Remember to follow Instagram password requirements. Once you've entered your new password, tap on Reset Password to confirm the change. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram password. Now, you can log in with your new credentials. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see you in the next video.